Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to add HD Admin Studio Lite on mobile, Roblox mobile. So let's start. So I will tell you the steps that you can follow to do it. So the first one is open the Roblox library and navigate to HD Admin. So we can do it like this picture, and let's navigate by here. Then the second one is take a copy of the model by clicking the green get button and doing alt to admin like this one. Okay, so then we have to head to create page on the top left of your screen. As you can see here, we have the option, and this will open a list of the games, and here it's like this looks. You can see here, find the place for which you want to add admin commands. If you don't have, please create new game. So we have to do it, and then I click on edit on the top right side of the game. You can find this symbol that is like a pencil. Just click there, and then we have to, in the top bar, click view and load up the explorer on the toolbox. So you can see here the explorer. Just click there, and then if we go to the number 7, just in the toolbox navigate in inventory, and this will load up the inventory we add the admin to. So then we have to click on the drag HD admin into their place. As you can see here, we have it, and then we have file in the upper left corner in the window, as you can see here, and then we have publish to Roblox. In the number 10, we have to select publish to Roblox, and it will change your game, as you can see here. And then just click here on the game's home place, the green button, and then we have to know admin commands in the game. So we have this, the HD games, and that is a type admin to view the command list. You can execute commands in the game by chatting, for example, explore me. So that's the steps we can follow to do it and to add the HD admin on the studio. As you can see, it's a little bit easy, but we have to check very carefully what we can press. Okay, so guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.